a seminar like this, I take back a lot of knowledge from a lot of people. And that really enriches my life, gives me a direction in life. Because even when I met with an accident, I was too young to even understand the consequences of that accident. But all that I knew was, I don't glorify the woman in me, I just glorify the daughter in me. I just wanted to give it back to my parents. That's all that I had. कि मुझे वो शक्ति दो.
Yes. वापस करो. स्टार्ट बोलो.